Good day everyone, I am Ana Lubihagan, a second-year student taking a Bachelor in Public Administration. During my free time, I enjoy cooking and being a plantita. These hobbies help me relax and bring balance to my daily routine. I choose to take Public Administration course because I want to further enhance my knowledge and skills in public service. This is also close to my heart since I am a barangay councilor in our town. Through this course, I believe I can become more effective in serving the community. I choose to study here in CITU because I truly admire the values and mission of the university, which inspires students not only to excel academically but also to become responsible and service-oriented individuals. Lastly, I want my classmates to know that I am approachable, willing to learn, and open to making new friends and meaningful connections. I look forward to sharing this all of you. Thank you.